With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's solve the question. The structure which replaces the nucellus in Pinus ovule is. The options are embryo, endosperm, perisperm, and none of the above. So Pinus belongs to gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are those plants that produce naked seeds. That is, the seed coats are absent, and the ovule of the gymnosperm, that is the Pinus, it consists of nucellus, which is enclosed within the integuments. This nucellus is the parenchymatous tissue that is nutritive in nature, that is, it provides nutrition. Okay, now after fertilization takes place, this nucellus is replaced by the female gametophyte, which is called as the endosperm. Alright, and therefore our answer will be option 2, endosperm. Embryo formation takes place after fertilization of male and female gametes, so this is not our answer. Then endosperm is our correct answer. Perisperm are the remnants of nucellus that is present around the endosperm as a thin layer. Alright, but this is also not the answer because the nucellus is being replaced in the Pinus through a structure called as endosperm. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.